Hello friends, welcome back to the course. So in this section, my goal is to apprise you with various ways in which you can use AI in its very simple form or in more difficult forms, how you are going to use different possibilities that are there in using AI and AI models to generate trade leads, to do market research, to do desk research, to start taking off as a new exporter in the market. So to start with, I am going to take up a very simple exercise in this particular section where I will be using most obvious way of using AI to start doing desk research, to find initial ideas about exporting your products and understanding international market. So in this particular exercise that I'm going to take up, very simple exercise which I'm going to take up, I'll be talking about a new entry in the international market. That means a manufacturer of certain products in India who for the first time want to understand the international market for his products that he is already selling in the Indian market very successfully. So I will take up this example of a manufacturer of toners and developers for photocopiers and laser printers. And this manufacturer is having its own manufacturing plant in Gujarat and want to start exporting as a new exporter in the international market. How he starts using AI in the form of ChatGPT and how he starts the desk research. Let's see this exercise. Very simple exercise.